Hey guys, this is Matt with Push Focus, and today's quick tip is using the Global Effects button in Premiere Pro. In your program monitor, there should be a Global Effects mute button, but if you don't see it under the video, just click the plus button, which should allow you to edit your buttons. I'll reset the layout so you can see what it looks like to then add the Global Effects mute button back to your layout. If you use this button, what it does is it turns off all the effects in your timeline, which can be really useful to speed up your computer if you've got a lot of effects going and it's really bogging it down, or maybe you just want to remove distractions to maybe focus on specific elements. However, don't forget if you've turned it off, because it can get confusing if you're making changes to effects and you don't see the changes happening. Also, when you export the video, the effects are going to be turned on whether you've muted the global effects or not. Hopefully this tip is helpful to save some time when editing. Also, make sure to like and subscribe Push Focus for more tips on video production, animation, and design.